My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Nwgen. Nwgen. This is the ransomware type threat that currently attacks Windows computers. The ransomware is extremely damaging because it can encrypt the files and doesn't let people use the files anymore. So the ransomware may encrypt pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Unfortunately, it often happens because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security system. So, customers may suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files, and the special Nwgen extension has been added. So, whenever they try to open specific files, they get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with Nwgen extension. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom, the huge amount of money, 150,000 US dollars to get the file restored. It also uses gives this email address for customers to contact the developers, but obviously paying the ransom does not guarantee that your files would be restored. So you should not pay the ransom and you should not contact these criminals. What we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware. First thing you can do is to go to the task manager, look for suspicious processes running in the background. If you find them, you need to right-click on them to end their task to stop the further file encryption if possible. Also, I recommend you to access your browser and go to the website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware in order to detect this ransomware and to remove it. So once again, the site is combocleaner.com. Use this green button, download the software, install the program, and start researching your device with its help. First of all, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. The program will update its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the programs begin scanning the system, and it will give you the summary of threats at the end of scanning. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Premium version is its anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will be always protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you have a chance to see the locations of threats. Of course, you may try to remove these threats manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license in order to neutralize these threats and to have your system always protected in the future from all further ransomware attacks.